Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS and Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. We have two slight risk areas today. One slight risk covers far southeastern Virginia and northeastern North Carolina. And another slight today encompasses parts of the east coast of Florida. Cities in today's slight areas include Jacksonville, Florida, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, and Orlando, Florida. And we have a marginal today that encompasses southeastern Louisiana, far southeastern Mississippi, southern Alabama, much of Florida, southern Georgia, and southeastern Georgia, the southeastern half of South Carolina, the eastern half of North Carolina, parts of southeast Virginia as well. Cities in today's marginal include New Orleans, Louisiana, Raleigh, North Carolina, Durham, North Carolina, Mobile, Alabama, and Tallahassee, Florida. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today. 2% covers extreme southeastern Louisiana, extreme southeastern Mississippi, extreme southwestern Alabama, and the Florida Panhandle, and a tiny bit of southwest Georgia too. And another 2% tornado risk area today encompasses parts of east central Florida. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk areas today include Orlando, Florida, Mobile, Alabama, Tallahassee, Florida, Palm Bay, Florida, and Deltona, Florida. Going to the wind threat for today, we have two areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering parts of the east coast of Florida, and another 15% wind risk area today encompasses extreme southeastern Virginia and northeastern North Carolina. Cities in today's 15% wind risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Virginia Beach, Virginia Beach, Virginia. I know where Florida popped in. Virginia Beach, Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, and Orlando, Florida. And there is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That encompasses southeastern Louisiana, far southeastern Mississippi, southern Alabama, much of Florida, south central and southeastern Georgia, the southeastern half of South Carolina, eastern half of North Carolina, and southeastern Virginia. Cities in today's 5% wind risk area today include New Orleans, Louisiana, Raleigh, North Carolina, Durham, North Carolina, and Mobile, Alabama, and Tallahassee, Florida. Going to the hail threat for today, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses far southeastern Virginia and northeastern North Carolina. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Virginia Beach, Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, Newport News, Virginia, and Hampton, Virginia. And there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern Louisiana, far southeastern Mississippi, far southern Alabama, much of Florida, south central and southeastern Georgia, the southeastern half of South Carolina, the eastern half of North Carolina, and southeastern Virginia. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Jacksonville, Florida, New Orleans, Louisiana, Raleigh, North Carolina, Orlando, Florida, and Mobile, Alabama. So, in summary, thunderstorms capable of producing large hail and severe wind gusts are possible across parts of the southeast, but especially areas such as the northern Florida Peninsula and eastern North Carolina, and far southeastern Virginia. So that's the day one outlook. So stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginal, because you never know what marginals can bring sometimes. So, and I will not have my day 2 outlook today because I'm going to see one of my friends in a dance recital tonight. Okay, so I'm seeing one of my friends in a dance recital tonight at my college, and after class, I'm staying on campus after class ends today, since it will be such a hassle to I live 1 hour away from my campus, so it will be such a hassle to go an hour one way and then and have very little downtime and just come back to go back to my college campus. So I'm staying on campus after class ends today, so I will not have time or place to do my severe weather outlook video since I'll be on campus and not at home. So again, I'm staying after class today, until after, my friend's dance recital, and I'll be getting home very late tonight, so late evening, so and I'll be too exhausted at that point. So SPC convective outlooks will take over for me for the day 2 outlook this afternoon. So go to SPC convective outlooks this afternoon for the day 2 outlook. He will cover for me. SPC convective outlooks will cover for me today for the day 2 outlook. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and my next video will come out tomorrow morning. Take care.